April 15th, my friends. Almost 7 o'clock. With the Bassmaster. Out here bass fishing, going for my second bass of the day. Got here a little late today, so see what happens. Fish on. Alright. A nice little chunky bass. Boom. Nice, beautiful largemouth. That's right. Not a giant one, but I'll take him right at the sunset. That's my second bass. And this video here will make 300 videos for my YouTube channel. Greatly appreciate it. Smash that like button and subscribe. Hey, there it is. Bass number 2 for the Bassmaster. Young's white paddle worm in the mouth, my friends. Right out there in this cove. But that's bass number 2. Tight lines and have a wonderful evening. Shout out to sponsor Buzz. And a shout out to the Bass Pro Shops, my friends. Dedication, hard work, patience is what pays off. Get after it.